Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a long overdue mail call for Scullan Bonecrusher. I had mentioned in the streams that I collect zippos. And this is some of my zippos I have here. I've got a few more around about the house here somewhere. I don't know where they're all at. But I mentioned that I collect them, and Scullan Bonecrusher heard that in chat and decided to send me a package, so excited to see what he sent. I know it's going to be something awesome. If it's what I think it is, it'll be the first one in my little collection here. And I will have his info pinned in the link so you can go over and subscribe. Oh, this is cool. This is my first one of this type of holder, or packaging, rather, I should say. And a little plastic holder. What have we got? How does this one open? How does this one open? Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking it was from the emails we have sent back and forth. The Great American Train. And this is a Barrett Smith design. It does appear to be used. You can tell by the wick there. That is a very awesome one though. Needs a new flint. Barrett Smith, that is a very cool one. That is the first Barrett Smith design I will add to the collection here. And in the plastic case. These are always cool. I always wanted one of these types of cases. Very nice. As you can see, I pick them up and collect a little bit of everything mixed in here. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Alright. It's a Nordic one. Most of these are all new, never been used. It's one of my most recent ones. Went on vacation. First time I ever been around a Hard Rock, so of course I had to pick up a zippo. Got some camels, tons of the Marlboro Reward ones. The majestic view here, it wraps all the way around the lighter. We got some older ones, some Jim Beam, some Jack Daniels, Sasquatch, Marilyn Monroe. It's an older one there. That is a, yep, not as old as I thought. It's only a 2002. But Slims, Bigs, we got them all. Pisces. Never been used. And again, well, you can't really see this one. Let's see if we can get this one to show up on camera. There we go. The Black Ice Paisley design. That's a Marlboro one. As you can see, I've got 4 or 5 of those. One of my newer ones, acquired. 2022. You can tell by the date code on the bottom. And this is a B, so this was February of 2022. So yeah, this is a Scullan Bonecrusher. Thank you, sir. I much appreciate adding this one to the pile, the collection. It's very generous of you to send this to me, sir. And I will be sending a gift back in return. because I'm always happy to add to the collection. And don't forget, Scullan Bonecrusher will be pinned in the link below. And appreciate everybody. I just wanted to show off some of my other obsession here. And we'll see you around about the chats.